You just pulled away from the gas station after a full fill-up, but your car is cranking and cranking like it does not want to start, or maybe it finally fires up, but it idles so rough you think it is about to stall out in the middle of the street. This frustrating situation is a classic sign of the code P0003, which means there is an EEVIP flow during a non-purge condition. In plain English, your car is accidentally sucking fuel vapors into the engine when it is supposed to be sealing them off. Your evaporative emission system is designed to trap gasoline fumes in a charcoal canister and then slowly burn them off in the engine through a purge valve. However, if that purge valve gets stuck in the open position, it creates a direct vacuum leak from your gas tank straight into the intake manifold. This floods the engine with raw fumes, making it run way too rich and causing those hard starts after you refuel. The computer uses a fuel tank pressure sensor or an EFTP sensor to monitor this, and if it sees a vacuum being drawn when the valve is supposed to be off, it triggers that orange light. While it might not seem like a massive drivability issue at first, running that rich for too long will eventually choke your catalytic converter and coat your spark plugs in soot. Luckily, this is one of the easiest things to diagnose yourself. You can simply locate the purge solenoid under the hood, unplug the electrical connector, and start the engine. If you pull the vacuum line off the canister side and feel suction on your finger, you know the valve is leaking and needs to be replaced. Another old school trick is to remove the valve and try to blow into it. Since it is a normally closed valve, air should never pass through while it is sitting on your workbench. Most of the time, replacing this little plastic valve is a 5-minute job that costs very little and will instantly fix your starting issues and get your fuel trims back to where they belong. Just be sure to check those vacuum hoses for any tiny cracks or dry rot while you are in there, because a small air leak can sometimes mimic a failing valve and keep that annoying light on your dashboard.